Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by opening the Word app and signing in so your files sync. Tap the plus button to create a new document or pick a template that matches your goal. Once done, set page orientation and a readable font size so editing is comfortable. Make sure autosave is enabled to avoid loss. You're now ready to add text. Tap the screen where you want to type and the keyboard appears. Use the toolbar above the keyboard for basic formatting as you type. You'll learn to edit like a pro. Tap and drag selection handles to highlight words or paragraphs, then use the floating menu for cut, copy, and paste. Apply heading styles from the Home tab to structure your document and use bold or lists for emphasis. Insert images or tables from the Insert menu. Once added, tap an object to resize or wrap text. Make sure to add comments for collaborators and use. Find to jump to terms quickly when your document grows. Finish by saving and sharing. Tap Share to send a link or attachment and pick whether recipients can edit or view. Export as PDF when you need a locked copy or save to OneDrive for cross-device access. If something goes wrong, like sync failures, first check your network, then sign out and sign back in to force sync. If the app freezes, close and reopen it, and remember that turning auto save off then on can nudge stuck files to update.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.